Listen, you seen the title in the thumbnail. Y'all already know every now and then I get me a sweet tooth and I want me some cake. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious, moist honey bun cake. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. Very easy recipe, not many ingredients, but this is gonna be the most tastiest cake that you've ever tried. So back here we have some yellow cake mix, some powdered sugar, light brown sugar, some vegetable oil, sour cream, 4 eggs, cinnamon, and some milk. That's all you need. Watch how this turns out. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare our brown sugar topping. We have our brown sugar in a bowl. We're just gonna add our 2 teaspoons of cinnamon here. And we're just gonna give this a good mix. Really simple, like I said, guys. And what you wanna do is just kind of break up these lumps as much as possible as you're mixing it. All right, that's what we have. Let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our cake batter, and we're gonna add our 4 eggs, our sour cream, our vegetable oil, and guys, I'm gonna add some vanilla extract that I didn't have in the ingredients list. We're gonna add that in there. You're gonna take a hand mixer, and we're gonna whip that baby up. All right. Now make sure you got your oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna head over to our baking dish so we can add our batter. All right, so we're gonna take our baking dish and we're gonna pour half of our cake batter into the pan. And we're just gonna spread this evenly around the bottom of the pan. Now you want to take 2/3 of your brown sugar and cinnamon mixture and you want to sprinkle that over the top. Now some people sprinkle all of it over the top. You could do it that way also, but I like to do mine a little bit different. I like to add a little bit of cinnamon swirl, make it look like a little swirl on my second layer. That looks good, exactly like that. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our remaining of our cake batter to the top of our brown sugar mixture, just like this. And we're gonna take our spatula again, and we're just going to, as much as we can, spread that out evenly around the cake pan. Just like that. We're gonna take the remaining of our brown sugar mixture and we're gonna sprinkle it on top like this. I usually take either a toothpick or something like that and kind of just swirl it around in here like that. Kind of give it that honey bun look. All right, so now we're gonna stick this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes on 350. I already preheated the oven, but make sure you check them after the 30-minute mark. That way you could stick a toothpick in it. You know when it comes out clean, it's ready to go. All right, let's get this in the oven. Now we're gonna start preparing our glaze for our cake. Now I added a few extra ingredients that I didn't put in the ingredient shot. I thought it'd just make it a little bit better, but I will add them in the video description below. So right here we have our powdered sugar. We're gonna add our milk, some melted butter, vanilla extract, and some honey. And we're just gonna get this mixed up, well combined. I think this is looking pretty awesome. All right, our cake has about 5 minutes or so. Once it's done, we're gonna finish it up, all right? So we're about 32 minutes in. My cake is done. Now we're gonna take our glaze and we're just gonna pour it all over the cake like this. There you have it, guys. A honey bun cake. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we do a taste test. Yep, the time has come. Quality control, guys. Take a look at that. Man, that thing looking moist right there. Let's go ahead. I'm just going, you know what? Let me just come out here and let me show you. Let me bite it. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's falling apart. It's so moist. All right. Now I got to turn around to me. Oh. And this one here is good to eat it warm. But y'all know, when I was in high school, when that vending machine got them honey buns, y'all heating them up in the microwaves. Y'all know. Oh man, banging, guys. You got a sweet tooth, you definitely want to try this out. So, not much to say. Delicious cake. Tune in. Y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.